Bootstrap is one of the most widely used CSS frameworks out there, and when it comes to using it with Angular, there are a couple of ways you can do that. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to properly input it and get set up and started as easy and as fast as possible. Inside your Angular project, we will install the necessary dependencies now. I'm going to do it all at once. I'm gonna run npm install bootstrap, then jQuery, then popper.js, and we will pass the --save flag to save our dependencies in package.json so that if someone else is working on our application running npm install, will install all the necessary dependencies of our app. If we take a little peek in package.json, you can see all 3 dependencies added here. Next step is to tell Angular that there are some additional styles and scripts that Angular needs to be aware of. Now we can do that in angular.json. Under the styles property in the build node, we will pass the location of our Bootstrap styles, and then in the same node under the scripts array, we will add the scripts in the following order. First goes jQuery. We need jQuery for some of the Bootstrap functionalities to work properly. Next we can add popper.js. We need popper for some of the popovers that Bootstrap uses. For example, I have a dropdown here and I have already inputted Bootstrap, but clicking on the button does nothing. Now when I import popper.js and restart my application, clicking on the same button will show me the dropdown options. Now back to our angular.json file. Lastly, we need to import our bootstrap.js files. All of these files are located in the node modules. Now just restart your application and you're ready to start using the Bootstrap library. Thanks everybody for watching. Post your comments, questions or suggestions down below. Hope you enjoyed this one and I'll see you in the next one.